Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to create a stylish price list that impresses your clients? Let's dive in. Create a new template by selecting Poster or choose any design that fits your needs. This will be the starting point for your project and template customization. Once the page loads, click on Price List. Browse the available templates, then select the one that best fits your needs. For example, I'll choose this template here. Expand the pricing section to access customizable options. Here, you can update the pricing details as needed. Additionally, you have full control over the design elements. For example, simply select an element in this area and make any changes you prefer. This allows you to tailor both pricing and design to your specific requirements. Replace or add any images you want by clicking the Image area, then selecting your desired photo. You can also change the phone number by clicking the text field and entering the new number you want to display. Once your design is finished, you can share it or download it for printing. Always choose the PDF print option when downloading to ensure the best quality for printed materials. You've learned how to make a price list on Canva. Give it a try. Like and subscribe for more creative tips.